Hello everyone. Already we have completed our 3 session. Now let's start our last session of lesson number 1, that is growing up with family. Okay. Open your notebook and be ready to write the aim and the keywords of this session. Okay. Start. Write the aim: to learn about foster parents and the role of father in child care. Okay. Write the aim: to learn about foster parents and the role of father in child care. Then write the keywords of this session. 4 keywords are there. First, responsibility, then foster parents, situation and appreciated. So total 4 keywords are there. Write the aim and the keywords in good handwriting. I hope that you have completed. Now, see, I have written here foster parents. Already we have learned about adoptive parents. Yes, there is a difference between adoptive parents and foster parents. Adoptive parents means what? The parents adopting orphans are known as adoptive parents. But in case of foster parents, let's see, sometimes people take up the responsibility of a child without adopting them. Underline this: without adopting them. Then that parents are known as foster parents. Means in adoptive parents, that parents are doing adoption. That process is known as adoption. We have learned in previous session. 3 terms we have learned, that is orphans, adoption and adoptive parents. Correct? But in case of foster parents, they are taking care of the other children but they are not adopting them. So that is the major difference between the foster parents and adoptive parents. In adoptive parents there is an adoption, but in foster parents there is no adoption process. Okay, I hope that you have understand about the foster parents. See, I have just written the difference between the fostering and adoption. Okay, see. Child remains the legal care of the local authority and or their birth parents. Means in case of fostering, for example, if you want to do your education, okay, some children are there, they are going in hostel, they are living in hostel. So that authority is doing fostering. Means for a particular period, they are taking care of that children. Understood? So that is related to fostering. And what about adoption? In adoption, adoptive parents, see, all parental rights are given to the adoptive parents because that adoptive parents, okay, going legally. Understood? So there is a difference between a fostering and adoption. Then here in fostering, a temporary arrangement is put in place which can either be short or long period. Like a hostel. Okay, if you want to do your graduation, that is of 3 years. So for 3 years, that hostel authority taking care of you. So that is related to the fostering. But in case of adoption, that family is taking care of that child for lifetime. Understood the difference between fostering and adoption? Yes. See, ultimate aim is to reunite the child with their birth parents at home. Means after fostering process, we can live with our parents. But in case of adoption, after adoption process, we are living only with our adoptive parents. Understood? Yes, the simple differences are there between the fostering and adoption. Okay? So that difference, whatever you have learned, that you have to write in your notebook. Don't copy from this image. Okay? The language is little bit hard. So whatever you have understand, that things only write in your notebook. So here we have completed about the difference between foster parents and adoptive parents. Now the next point is role of father in child's care. Can you tell me what are the role of father fathers in child care? Yes, most of the time we can see mother is spending time with her child. But not only mother, father is also important in child's life. Means that child need father's love also and mother's love also. Okay, so many roles of father are there in child care. Our father teaches us how to live in society, how to behave in society. So many things we have learned from our father, like responsibility, sacrifice, okay, how to do many things, how to adjust with our environment. So many things we have learned by our father. So role of father is also important in child's life like a mother. Okay. So write your experience, means which thing you have learned from your father, that also you can write in your notebook. Okay, not like a homework. Okay, this is just for your experience, that which thing you have learned from your father. Okay, so father is also important in our life like a mother. Understood? Yes. So here we have completed our chapter. Okay, from this chapter what we have learned? We have learned about animals, we have learned about the humans. How the animals are taking care of their young ones, how the animals taking care of the young ones of other animals. Same we have learned about humans. Then we have learned three terms like orphans, adoption, adoptive parents. Then we have learned the difference between foster parents and adoptive parents. Then last we have learned about the role of father in child's care. So here we have finished our lesson. But I want to show you and I want to tell you something about this. Can you guess who is she? Yes, her name is Sindhutai Sapkar. Okay, a famous Indian social worker. Her name or the Sindhutai Sapkar is known as a mother of orphans. We learned that orphans, correct? We have learned that term orphans. So she is also related to our lesson because she has adopted more than 1400 orphans. Understood? So she is an inspiration for us. Yes, many children are there. They want parental care. So we can also follow Sindhutai Sapkar. Okay. So I just want to show you, or I just want to share this information with you. See, you can see her work, how she is spending her time with orphans, how she is teaches us many things to that orphans. So this is for your general knowledge, means you should know about her. So here I have completed our session. Still stay home, stay safe, and thank you.